cheers with soaps, cousin, all the drink almost hurt Jerry. I go inside by ice, trying to give a perk to Gary. 100 milligrams of oxy, got my nose itching. I pop her hair before I had sex, and my whole trip. Conversation with an ugly bitch like Bayo Toes pretty. When Empire sent that check, I blew the whole.
I've never talked up drive shaft nuts. Who talks up drive shaft nuts?
Me. What are you doing?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
This is part 2 of the subframe rebuild since the last video ran on a little bit too long. So if you're joining us halfway through, I'd strongly recommend going back and watching the first video. So after giving the subframe a quick degrease and jet wash, it's time to finally fit some suspension arms. And first on is the upper control arms.
To adjust the subframe.
Are they that tight?
This side it is, I don't even know why. I don't know why. I can't just explain to you why it's this tight.
Oh, it's almost in. Oh. Get a little screwdriver. It needs to go up. Oh, yeah.
That's stupid. How's that going in like that?
Man's got food. You got munch!
Wait, you wanna get chefed up? Come here.
Next up is a quick check on real OEM just to make sure that we're using the right bolts. And then we'll use my fancy tool. Next up is the diff mount bolts, but only the rear ones since the front one is torqued up to 200 Newton meters.
200 Newton meter bolt.
My torque wrench won't do that. Oh my god.
Okay, we'll leave that one on for now. Everyone was a tip to wear because I'm gonna call you a puss. And you're a pussy club. Oi, why are you a pussy club?
So yeah, we'll be replacing that one once it's on the car.
What are we at? So 95, yeah?
95, yeah.
Who's Edgar anyway? That f***ing car is still not running yet.
Upper control arm to subframe. Oh, f***ing foot-pounds.
It's cool.
57 foot-pounds.
Ah! Oh my god. Are you sure? Rasclut. Bitch!
Drive shaft time. Is that the left or the right now?
Who knows? They're the same.
They're not the same.
Yeah, they are.
Just so that we set the record straight, no E46 has equal length drive shafts. Axles, if you're from the US.
But what? Why stop?
Well, you can keep on misinforming our audience. Gaslighting me.
Freedom of speech.
Or you can
He is right, everybody. He is right. There is a left and there is a right.
because they are different lengths.
Crusty. Oi, the internet's gonna see this, you know. Oi, can you hear the crust? But it's okay, because I have brand new ones. are just refusing to use them.
When are you going to put the new ones in?
When they snap? Yeah, they are peely boy, aren't they? Some ashy knee. Okay, so the longer one is this side. It goes on that side. This one goes on this side. This is microphone, Bled. That's right. Someone cut your springs and you... What, your Fiesta? Finally selling?
That's literally not the definition of voiceover. We're talking into the camera.
Nuno
That's
is
not what voiceover is,
currently
Jack.
drying.
It's still not doing a voiceover, Jack.
I'm doing my own voiceover.
That's not a voiceover.
This is a microphone.
No, that's not how it works.
This is a very autistic video, but I'm not even allowed to say the word autism anymore. I hate the labeling so much. Nothing needs to be labelled. Oh my god, you have energy cocaine. No. No, that's not how this works. It's not cocaine. I'm just a human with energy. I'm trying to speak less because you reckon you're going to do better voiceovers anyway, so you do that Shaniqua?
No, you can talk as long as it's like one sentence at a time.
Can I talk now?
Yeah.
Help me out, I've been kidnapped, they won't let me out. Oh, chemtrails are real.
Stop.
I never was an inside job.
Okay, that is enough. That is enough.
Okay, guys, okay. It was a joke, all of it. Fuck.
You dropped it, bro.
Can you just do it properly?
I'm trying to bastard properly it. John, can you find out which one of those is the left and right? Because there's a...
The brown one is the white one.
I was right.
How much did you sell this car for? Remember, the original plan was to just sell it.
It was.
Are you selling it?
I don't know.
Guys, comment down below if you want to buy it.
I don't think people have got any remote idea of how much I need to let this go.
80 grand.
That's starting. Can you lift this up for a second for me? Like this?
Oh, we're just gonna insert one to all.
Cool.
Cool. That's good.
Oh, that's perfect.
What? Yeah. Can we turn real AM again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's that.
Usually a camber bolt would go here, but since we're using Driftworks camber arms, there's no need.
Now, upper. Nope. Come on, you slag. Yeah. No.
That's have a camber on one, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go. That's better. Very good. King BMWs. Stupid pieces of shit. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Just dickhead. Sit. Woo! Cool. 80NM? Mm-hmm. What's BMW playing at?
Yeah, I remember. Because I did these on mine and I was like, surely they're going to snap.
Where's the pen?
The pen should be here.
Oh, it's on the floor.
Remember when it did that?
It did do that.
One to all.
Yeah.
How cool it would be if we had like little head cameras.
Or like Francis Dubois. Roadman f***ing turned f***ing national treasure, isn't it? I like how he's managing just to fool everyone. Oh, I got my new Honda Jazz.
Honda Jazz.
Is he a roadman?
Yeah,
How?
he used to be.
What do you mean?
Did you not know?
I need to see evidence.
Hold on.
What stabbed up how many man of the Mandem 7? On the glide, no half up.
Cool, that's 6 done.
Hey, we're hungry.
Can you pull?
Next up is Nuno's favourite task, which is handbrake shoes. He still manages to f*** it up.
That doesn't look good.
That's not right, Nuno.
I don't like that.
We're nearly there.
I know, go away. You put me under pressure.
I'm not.
You
Take
are.
as much time as you need.
Yeah.
Edit the bit where you do it right.
No, you won't. I know you won't, and the people know you won't.
Well, of course I'm going to keep it in.
Sound like R2D2.
Look, we're good now. That's where it was talked to last time.
Ah, yes.
Perfect. Me.
Yeah, it kind of goes without saying, don't actually do this.
We have punches.
Stop doing that. Stop
We
it.
don't need a punch.
The punch is literally right here.
Yeah, that's good. Other side.
Yeah, don't do that either. And we're back.
Oh, it hurts.
Look how squidgy his hand looks.
We're done now. We're done now.
It was done like 4 hits.
Now it won't come loose.
Brand new. Brand new.
You did the same mistake again.
I might have, but that's because the parts have been apart. But because I don't want to make the same mistake. Are we? Oh.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, yeah.
Now let's.
Have you ever taken it on not?
Because I want to just.
Just adjust it with it.
It's really. You can, but it's really difficult. You can. You do it through. You do it through the.
Just take a stud off.
Oh, that's true.
So normally you would adjust the handbrake through the wheel bolt holes, but since there isn't any due to the stud conversion, it's just a case of trial and error.
Yeah. The pads in there. Cool. Let's go get them.
Oh, look at that! Oh! So next up are these E46 specific AP Racing rear brake calipers. Best thing about these, there's no need for custom brackets and it works with the OEM disc. The worst thing about them is they're expensive as shit.
OEM disc, full pad contacts.
And you don't even need to cut this or anything.
Nothing. But I've obviously cut that.
The brake kit comes in at around about £1,600, but later we found one annoying problem with them.
19S4. Also, not that I'm bothered, but a lot of people will be bothered. Most decent calipers out there will create some sort of pad rattle because of tolerances that need to be allowed for heating expansion. So what these have, you can see on theirs, they've got an anti-rattle clip, which is I've already installed. So you place it on the pad pin, push it down, and then it clips onto the pad shims.
Oh.
And then once you install the pads,
There's no rattle.
there's no rattle, there's no movement, there's no nothing there in situ. So it's ready for it to go on nice.
Put on.
Basically, put on,
Put on.
as Ed says.
What's it threaded?
None of it. So you have to bolt it together, basically.
And this was a little bit more annoying than Nuno probably first thought.
OEM caliper, I suspect. Ooh.
Maybe you should, maybe AP
65 NMs.
Yeah, so.
Does AP not give you a different?
No.
They bolt onto the carrier.
But
They don't.
They bolt onto the.
They don't. There's no bolt. That's not threaded. Is that threaded? No, it's
This is not threaded either.
No. You get proper castellated style of.
Oh, then they must give you a torque setting then.
They only give you a torque.
So don't AP don't give you torque settings. For nothing.
Like, good luck. Do your own R&D.
And when it goes wrong, you're on your own. So not only did the caliper not come with torque specs, there's no threads on the caliper or the carrier, so you literally have to nut and bolt them.
We're gonna go to 70. After dropping the nut between the heat shield and the disc a million times, he got there in the end.
Bitch. Wait, this is looking tasty.
Oh, fish!
Yeah.
Because we got some paint inside there.
Oh,
We're getting there. There we go, she's on. Look at that. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
yes, gangster. I like that.
This is very exciting. All of this is very exciting. I'm not gonna go
What
fast.
BTG are you looking for?
For this, 830. I'm out the window, like this.
Just parade laps.
I can't go for the heartache of crashing this car. Because these are the best cars. Well done, everybody. Everybody, well done. Congratulations. Well done, everybody. Well done. That is a wrap. Everybody, that is a wrap. Am I allowed to say that is a wrap, or is it the director's cut? That is a wrap. And of course, the next day, Nuno finished off the other side. And of course, Nuno and Ed had their hourly argument.
That's John, yeah?
It's everywhere, tools there. He's very upset today.
Yes.
Don't know what happened.
All is well at the Rat Dog Garage.
Get me a crank handle. I'll get this.